If you want to clear cache on iPhone 17, then unfortunately there is no dedicated button, option or setting that allows you to clear cache of an app. The only app that I know of that can actually get rid of cache files is the Safari app. So in this case, you can open settings, go to apps at the bottom of settings, and then over here find Safari. There we go. And then in here, if you clear history and website data, you can get rid of cache files. But if you want to get rid of cache files for other apps, such as like Instagram, Threads, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, then in that case, you have to completely uninstall the app from your phone and then install it again. So you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the app in the home screen, choose remove app, and then confirm by pressing delete app. Or you can go to the app library and do a similar thing, just press and hold your finger and then choose delete app. Once the app is completely removed, you want to, of course, install it again by using the App Store. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.